YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all about my Ipsy Glam Plus bag for the month of August. So if you want to see what I received, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So I just got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus in the mail, and I mean, I'm excited to see what's in there, but I'm like a little disappointed because it took them so long because it's towards the end of the month. But I am excited to see what's inside because it did come in a new type of packaging. Usually it comes in a box, but this time it's actually in a bag like it says, Glam Plus bag. But it was in a box and it would get me confused on what I was saying, okay? But yes, because I would always say box instead of bag. But anyways, so this is it. And if you do not know what Ipsy Glam Plus bag is, it is a $25 a month beauty subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products valuing over $120. So we're going to see. I have been disappointed with them in the past few months, so if this bag is not a wow bag, I will be canceling my subscription with Ipsy and just be sticking with my BoxyCharm, and I might even pick back up on my Lure Beauty box because I've been missing getting that box. But let's get started because I've been rambling enough. But if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Chantelly Lace. I do unboxings. And haul videos, clothing videos, and also makeup videos, business videos, anything about my life. So if you're into that, go on and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. But let's go on and get started. So we're gonna open this bag, and I like the color of it. I like the pink of it. So let's see. Let's see. So we open it up. Ooh, and I do like that it comes in a new little bag like this. Because I can, like, you know, if I'm having a overnight or anything like that, I can just throw it in this. You know, throw all my little skincare products and all that stuff in here. But yeah, I think it's really, really cute. And I do like this bag a little bit better than the originals that we used to get. Because I would get double of them for having the Ipsy bag and then the Ipsy Glam Plus bag. So I have a lot of those bags in stock. So this is something different. So I do like that. But let's get into this. Let's see if there's a stock card. So there is a card, but it doesn't tell you what the products are and the prices. So I'll have to research that. But it says, the future is yours, August 2020. I guess that's the thing. And you can build your bag, which I usually don't do. And it doesn't say what variation I may have. So yeah, let's see. So first up in here, this is a loaded lip polish glaze by Ilmaske, if I'm saying that correctly. I'm not sure, but this is it, and it's a gloss, and I have bought a lot of glosses, so I have a lot on deck. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers, and it looks clear. I'm not sure if you can see, but it does look clear, so that'll be nice to have. And then next up, this is by Laura Geller. It's the Kajal Long Wear Eyeliner Glided Bronze Kohl. Okay, so this is an eyeliner, and it's in a brown color, so I'll definitely try this out. So this is the packaging. Let me put it so you guys can read it. This is the packaging, and I'm going to open it up. Oh, yep, and it's definitely brown, so I definitely like that. And it's nice and creamy. Ooh, nice. Definitely cute, especially for fall coming up, because I am a fall baby, so I'll definitely be using this. And next up we have, I'm not sure who this is by. It just has an, oh, here it is, Ico London, that's who it's by, sorry. And it's Black Magic Mascara. It's a Drama and Curl. Ooh. It says designed for after hours seduction. Our ultimate mascara enriched with keratin and shea butter creates drama, volume, and curl with a carbon black finish. So that is super cute. But I do have a lot of mascaras, so I'm going to put this in a giveaway for you guys as well, because I do a giveaway every 500 subscribers. So once I get to 3,500 subscribers, I will be having a giveaway. So next up, the box got smashed. And this is by Murad. And this is the Hydration Perfect Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Nourishes and protects and restores suppleness. So this is nice because I do use a Murad C essential oils with SPF 30. So, and it's a moisturizer too. It just has C in it and sunscreen as well. So this one would just be a hydrating moisturizer with vitamin C, which is really, really nice to have, especially because I'm about to be doing some chemical peels. So stay tuned for that because I will be filming that. And this will be nice to have, especially to keep your face hydrated, especially with the dryness with chemical peels, and also with the SPF in here to block from any light, okay? So yeah, that is nice. I'm definitely keeping that. And last but not least, we got a palette. Ooh, I'm excited about this. So, how do I open it? Oh, the bubble wrap is taped down. Usually the bubble isn't taped down, but this one is. So, let's open it up. And it's the, ooh, my earring keeps getting stuck to my shirt. It's the Venice Fling Bailey Serene times Estate. If I'm saying that correctly, I'm really bad with pronunciation. I do not know why. But yes, this is the palette right here. And it looks really, really pretty. Giving me tropical vibes, vacation-y. So let's see what she looks like. We're going to get the out of the card. And it still looks exactly the same. Ooh, I like. Super cute. Of course, it comes with a mirror, but I don't want to blind y'all. So here is the colors. So pretty. I really, really do like this. So I want to do some swatching. So we'll do this Yellow Soul, Bonfire, Rose Tattoo, and you know I got to do the purple, which is Roller Skates. And who? Hello, roller skates. I remember. I don't know how to roller skate, but I know how to roller blade. Don't know why, but yeah. So this is Soul. It's a yellow. Ooh, look how bright that is on my skin tone. Because, you know, yellows don't be that vibrant on, you know, people of color. So that is nice. Definitely going to be playing with that. And then this is Bonfire. Ooh, look at that, nice and subtle, and y'all know I like them subtle looks. And then this one is Rose Tattoo. Ooh, look at that orange. The orange and yellow are calling me, especially this yellow. It is so pretty, and like, I don't even think you're gonna need no, usually you have to put concealer or some type of pale base, and I don't think you'll need to do that with this yellow. And then the last one I'm going to swatch is Roller Skate, which is this purple color. Beautiful. Yes, this is a nice palette. So I'm definitely going to play with this, and I'm happy about the palette. Now, as far as anything else, didn't really need the lip gloss or the mascara, so I'm definitely going to put this in a giveaway. I'm keeping this because this is nice to have. So very nice, because I was going to have to buy something for me doing these chemical peels coming up. But yes, this is nice to have. So I am pleased with the bag, but I think I will be canceling my Ipsy. Maybe if their game up within the next couple months, I might re-sign back up. But yeah, I will be canceling my Ipsy just because I just feel like I can get better products if I, you know, spent a little extra on Boxy, on add-ons, or if I got my Allure beauty box subscription back. So yes, that's everything that I got in my Ipsy. Let me know down in the description box, what did you like out of this August, out of my August Ipsy Glam Plus bag. Like I said, these are the two items that I like the most. I will be using the liner, but I mean, you know, it's brown, it's cool, but I have plenty of them, but I will use it. But these two I definitely don't need. So I'm keeping 3 out of the 5, and 2 of them are going for y'all. So it's not a bad box, but at the same time, I just feel like I can get much better products and a better buy doing add-ons with my BoxyCharm and my Boxy Premium and so forth. So yes, that is all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.